Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Node.js and run first program in Windows 11. Open web browser. I am using Microsoft Edge. You can use your favorite browser. Go to Google. Go to Google search. Type here. Download Node.js. Press enter. Click on first link. Download Node.js. Now the Node.js official website is open. Click on Node.js version list. Current version is 25.9.0. Let's click on it. Choose your OS. I am using Windows, so I am okay with that. Click on Windows Installer.msi version. It is 31.9 megabits installer. Now the downloading is completed. Simply just right-click on it. Click Open. Close web browser. Welcome to the Node.js setup wizard. Click Next. Check on I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click Next. Node.js install the following location. Click Next. Custom setup. Click Next. Automatically install the necessary tools. Note that this will also install Chocolatey. The script will pop up in a new Windows after the installation completes. In this video demonstration, I will not check this option. Click Next. Click Install. Click Yes to install Node.js. Node.js has been successfully installed. Click Finish. After installation, now let's us verify the Node.js version. Go to Windows Search. CMD. Click Open. Type here. Node --version. Press Enter. As you can see, the Node.js version 25.9.0. Now close command prompt. Now I am going to create and run Node.js simple program. Go to Windows Search. Type here. Notepad. Click Open. // Name the program. Hello. RT. Press Enter. Type program. Console.log. Bracket open. Inverted comma. Type here which one want to print. Example. Hello. Rohit. Tech. Inverted comma. Bracket close. Semicolon. Click on File. Click Save As. I am saving this file in Documents. Click Documents. Type here file name. Hello RT.js. Click Save. Close Notepad. Go to this PC. Click Documents. Now our file is here. Type CMD here. Press Enter. Type here. Node. Hello RT.js. Press Enter. Now our content is print. So our Node.js is successfully installed and run. So viewers, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.